thought I'd document where we're at here. Part 2. Notice the supports. It's funny, that front one there, it's fallen over a couple of times and I've put it back up. You can see right at the start there. Right in the middle, I should say, at the start. It fell over and I stood it back up, glued it on, and it ran for a long time. And then it fell over again. When I woke up this morning, I found it on the floor. So I actually glued it onto this cap, and it was perfect height at the time. This time I put melted a bunch of old garbage material on there, so it was stuck. So hopefully it stays standing now, and you can see how much is gone so far for support. It'll be interesting how it utilizes that at the top. But I figured it might just need it, so I've tried to keep it going. The other one in the back there, for the other hand, is pretty much staying together pretty good.